animals.
Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the Turku Archipelago field trip. Our professor planned this trip for us to see cormorants and their habitats. These birds have an impact on soil, water and ecosystems. We studied their ecological role and environmental interactions in class before going to see them. As efficient fish hunters, cormorants contribute to the balance of aquatic ecosystems. Their poop, however, is unique. Guano affects soil and vegetation in both positive and negative ways. We also discussed our ideas and plans for the group report with the professors during the trip, as we began writing in the following days. So, let's go.
Around and make questions and discuss and make interviews with Mikko and Jari. They are people to ask questions that you may have in mind.
Why it was so dramatic was that never before area this kind of parasite has not found in the herring. And we found them and think, well, what the hell, what is this? This has happened never before. And we started the project in which we tried to analyze what was the reason of that parasite. And we get the reference from the literature about these parasites. We made a DNA analysis of them, and we know species. There was two worm species, and the literature we found information that this species is very typical in a grey sea, but also some indication about also cormorants would be their hosts. They eat herring, go into the seal or cormorants, in which they reproduce, and this circulation goes on like that. But that information was never guaranteed in no place in the earth. So we started the project to check them, and to get the worms from cormorants, we get the specific license to shoot them. About 50 individuals.
Island especially, it's keeping the nutrients very well in the soil of that island. They were very high already after this 10 years breeding period.
Yeah. Last year.
10 years ago.
Yeah, 10 years ago. Do the birds remember the trauma? Why the new red?
I think
But
that
like Jari said that they may have moved to somewhere.
yeah, there are two kinds of disturbance: active and passive. Active came from the local people because they want to first live off here. And then there is a passive, what's called the sailing boats, which see the island. What is this coasty island? Let's go near and look at it.
Like us.
Yeah. Hundreds and hundreds boats come here.
But you said, Jari, that obviously this
it's a Luvia area. Yeah.
It's different colors. And then the cows were eating them and taking them. And Munakari means that these were the islands where those local people we can see here, they come here to collect the eggs, bird eggs in the springtime for their food. Good Eider island and perhaps not.
Thank you.